Hello there. Welcome to uDemand. Let's talk about uDemand before we get started with the video. uDemand is a real-time, integrated software training platform that helps users acquire marketable skills in order to succeed in today's global economy. In this video, we'll talk about staffing models. Staffing models are positions that group together essential details about jobs, including job families, job profiles, worker types, locations, and employment status, full-time against part-time. Additionally, you may set the bar high for applicants by specifying a high level of education and years of experience for open positions. Position management and job management are the two main categories of staffing methods. These two methods of staffing offer various degrees of management discretion in meeting varying demands. Types of staffing models: position management and job management. Position management gives you the most control. One vacant post is made available. No employee can be hired, promoted, denoted, contracted, or transferred into a job unless that position has been approved and is open on the employee's start date. As part of a job switch, one's reporting structure may change from one organization to another. If a role is no longer necessary, it can be terminated. Job management. The greatest degree of speed and adaptability is possible. Organizational policies limit who can be hired. The available employment opportunities at a certain company are not quantified in any way. When an employee is transferred, degraded, promoted, or let go, their old position is eliminated unless it follows them to their new location. Hiring restrictions. You may limit or restrict who is hired into an organization by setting the rules and conditions in place for position or job management. It is possible to place the following constraints on any staffing model. One or more related work groups. One or more types of occupations. More than one place is possible. Types of employees, employee or contingent worker. Types of employees, appears only if worker type is first selected: part-time, temporary, permanent, seasonal, ongoing, intermittent. Term for the time form: full-time or part-time. There are no limits. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel uDemand so that you may be alerted of future videos.